GrabCAD is a great way to import parts that you're probably going to have in your project, but that you don't want to make. So those could be things like motors, it could be things like standard bearings, it could be, I don't know, a raw plug as an example, or it could be some sort of USB adapter that you may need. So all you need to do is type in GrabCAD into Google or your search engine, and then click on this link. When you go up to here, you can go up to Community and Library, or just click on Community and that will take you, click on Library and that will take you to basically this database of lots of products and things that people have made. So you can see there's this laser welding head here, there's all kinds of boxes, there's loads of stuff that you could be using. You have to make an account or log in, so I've got my login here, I've already made my account and I will sign in. Let's say that we wanted to look for a motor, okay, so I might want to look for a stepper motor. So type that in there and it will come up hopefully with all kinds of different types of stepper motors. Now you could be looking for something a little bit more specific. So these are the stepper motors we tend to use. The NEMA 17s are also quite common in projects that we've used before. So depending on what kind of file you want to use, you can go up to the top here and you can be a bit more specific. You can also look at different software that you're using. Okay, so some of you will be using something. Let's go for SolidWorks as an example. So that is just there. And then hopefully there'll be a few options for a SolidWorks file that we can import. So if I take this one as an example, I click on it, gives me a little preview of what it's going to look like. We know that that looks very similar to a stepper motor that we might use. And then it gives us the options of the different files that we're going to get. So a SolidWorks part or a SolidWorks assembly, even a step file is perfect for us. All we then need to do is click on download. It will download for us. There we go, it's downloading at the top here, and that will then complete for us. You can open the file. So if I open up this file, it's gone onto my other page. Give me 1 second. So file is open. In terms of what you see here, you've got all your different parts. You could then double click on the assembly and that will open up in SolidWorks, or you could use this step file to open up elsewhere. Hopefully that is useful, and that is pretty much all you need to know for GrabCAD.